What's the meaning of beetle? Beetle. Beetle.
Beetle. Beetle. A beetle is a type of insect found all over the world, with over 400,000 species identified. They come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and colors, and have distinct physical characteristics such as hardened forewings called elytra that form a protective shell over their body. Beetles feed on a variety of food sources such as plants, fungi, and other insects, and play important roles in maintaining ecosystems. Some species are considered pests, damaging crops, or causing structural damage to buildings. Beetles have fascinated humans for centuries, with their beauty and unique behaviors inspiring art, literature, and scientific research.